Hello students, this is a video to describe where you would go to start your FFA Proficiency. The FFA Proficiency will be found on the AET website. So right now what you need to do is make sure you log into theaet.com, our chapter number, and then utilize your FFA password. We've been doing this enough that you should be able to work into that. Once in there, you will come to the home screen, and on the home screen, those tabs, click on the Reports tab. In the Reports tab, you will get the blue, green, and a lighter beige-like color. On the lighter beige colored one called Annual Reports and FFA Apps, click on the Degree Application Manager. On this one, it will take you away from AET to an awards page. This page is linked from AET to FFA.org. This FFA.org page has in the middle, it says start a new application by choosing from the drop down menu. You will have to use the drop down menu in the middle to click on Proficiency Application and then click on Add New, and once this happens, a new page will be automatically generated. The new page will have application, and then it'll have a unique number application type. It should say Proficiency Application. If it doesn't, then that means you just didn't do your drop down menu correctly. On here, you will click on Application, and it will take you to a page that has a few hyperlinks on the left side in a blue box. You will need to go through and check after reading the instructions, check the cover to make sure it is filled in with what you have, your name and such. Then on the proficiency area, this is where it starts to get a little tricky. You need to find which area your SAE fits into. If it fits into a particular area, for instance, ag education or beef production, whatever area it fits into, you will push select. Once you've pushed select, a new bunch of options should formulate. You will enter beginning dates, so if you were a freshman this year, it would be on 8/01/2015. And if you were a freshman the year before, so forth, but it'd begin your freshman year or whatever year you joined FFA. And it'll begin during that August. After you've selected that, you then have to follow through all the little question marks. And so you will start to begin choosing different boxes. If you don't understand something, on the left hand side underneath Norfolk and then your name is all the different tabs that you could be working on. If you come to a part that you don't understand, make sure you skip it and then go to the next page. The ones that will make the most sense to you are going to be Performance Review A, Performance Review B, and Performance Review C. You will also have ones that you might be able to get to, but it takes a kid to be able to understand. They have to read the question marks or look for help on it, and that's a hard thing to do. And so you might be able to handle the one that says Skills, Comp, and Knowledge also. If you start this little guy, it will start to begin the process of developing a proficiency. And the proficiencies are just braggings about your SAE because you're doing such a cool one. When you come to questions, please make sure you ask, and I will help you out as much as we can.